Hello everyone, Jason here at Learn to Survive and your daily survival tip. Learn to treat animal bites. No matter where you are, in the city, in the country, there's a good chance of getting bit by a dog, cat, or other wild animal. First step is to tie a tourniquet or ligature on the limb above the wound. This will keep blood from flowing from the wound. Next, wash the wound. Use soap and water if you have it. Do this thoroughly as possible. Your job here is to prevent as many parasites from getting into the bloodstream from the bite. Washing reduces the parasite load and gives your immune system a better chance of fighting infection. And if you've got alcohol, use that. And it has to be rubbing alcohol or a high proof alcohol like whiskey or rum. Beer will not do in this situation. Give the beer to cover pain to the person that was bit. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video. Have a good day. Take care of yourself and take care of one another.